So heading to Mangalore for my cousin's engagement, and it's gonna be a blast over there, I suppose. And it's always gonna be a blast. And there's also a family gathering after a long time, so I'm looking forward to this trip. It's 7:15 now, and my flight's at 8:55 p.m. So let's see if I reach on time or not. Right now, currently I'm at Goregaon, actually Andheri. So I'm traveling this time with my aunt, and she's already inside the airport, and she has already collected the boarding pass as well. So that's a good thing for me because I'm still yet to reach the airport. I'm just about to reach the airport in just 2 minutes, and I'm already loaded up with my gears and stuff. Chalo, thank you. Day 2. ये लोग कोई घर पे रुक नहीं रहे.
Shut up and get lost.
ईशा रुक जाना घर पे.
College is too important.
साक्षी
Yes.
अरे क्या करेगा माँ जरा किधर गया ऐसा. Oh my god.
Karan, you can't do this, yaar. Just go.
Isha,
Wait.
so where are we going right now?
College!
Day 2 in Mangalore. I know there was not much of footage from the day 1, but let's see how the day 1 goes. I'm just wearing this Om kurta and they just
No one wants to.
tracks.
No one knows.
And that's our ride for today. Oh, sorry. हाँ तो that's our ride. अरे तू लाल लाल बोली तो मुझे नहीं पता. Oh. Drive fast. Oh.
Sare jahan nache. So Karan, just stop and drive.
Let's go.
So Karan, how do you feel meeting your sister after?
अरे I am feeling very good because I'm driving a car also. ये तूने ठोका ना?
What? No way.
So where are
Karan
we
wants
going right
this
now, Isha?
phone. Karan, can you gift me this phone?
I can't give you this phone. You were about to buy this phone, na?
जाले पे नमक नहीं छिड़कते बच्चे.
This is the first time the brother and sister are doing vlog together.
Brother and sister doing vlog together. Wow, I think so. So okay, say
Hey,
right.
this was the only place na जहाँ से we had taken beers and
Yes,
stuff. हाँ,
bro.
dude तो यहाँ से we can take. यहाँ से left.
Right. We have to go right.
Circle. Syndicate Circle. So we are right now at the Syndicate Circle. Oh, that fashion designer का board is still now.
Fucking, I'll drop your phone, man. Right. Huh? Can you please give the indicator?
अरे दिया ना indicator और कितना?
You should give it in advance.
Yeah.
There are a lot of potholes. We can.
इधर आया there's some Eiffel Tower ना over here.
Eiffel, that's an Odupi, Baba. And it's over. It's
So
gone.
where are we right now?
Manipal.
Hey, Flipkart, bro.
Come, no, wrong way.
Don't worry. Do you want me to just start?
No, you don't have to do anything. You have to
with my
just.
weed which I am smoking.
You shut up, man. You are no weed.
Hey, look, Isha, your pictures.
Where, man?
This.
Oh, this is so cute.
That's you.
Take a left and then again a left.
This building, na? I
left.
come with Sakshi also. Here.
Yeah, you
So this
came-
is
left,
this is
left,
Manipal.
left. This is Interact का building where my lectures take place.
Oh. यहाँ पर भी अच्छा शूट हो सकता है. It's a nice place to shoot.
Yeah, good. Now drop me here only and you can get lost.
अरे I had to meet your friends.
Okay, then you can park it somewhere.
So we are waiting below Isha's friend's building. Her name is Alison.
Yeah,
She's talking with her friend and I'm just being the chauffeur over here. So right now we are at Malpe Port.
लास्ट अडिपिदाडो दुंडते
हाँ चलो अम्मा कौन यस हाँ अरे पूरा ऊपर पकड़ो ना मेरे को कौन हाँ शाबाश रखो हाथ उतरो आई शाबाश और बुड्ढी फॉर्म में बुड्ढी हैज ट्रैवल्ड माय ग्रैंडमदर हैज ट्रैवल्ड सो फार राइट नाउ एंड शी इज अबाउट टू ट्रैवल अ बिट मोर अंको So finally we have reached the boat and the boat is Shubh Ratna. That's my mommy and my mama's name, Shubh Ratna. Mama किधर गया? Mama and mommy, mommy. हाँ तो शुभ रत्न.
बर्फ है उसका एक एक इसमें है ना वो लोग मच्छी रखेगा. अरे वाह ये मच्छी हाँ फिर ये लोग सोते किधर उसका मुंह देख फिश चले
हाँ मैं उतरेगा मेरे को.
अरे जब बोले
क्या जंप करने का डायरेक्ट?
जंप नहीं करना.
हाँ
लैडर है
किधर है लैडर?
लैडर नहीं है ना लैडर नहीं
ladder नहीं है वो उसमें फिर रखी
उस पे ना हाँ ठीक है ना.
वो नईस ఉండే ఐస్ నీరు ఉండే
बहुत मस्त है
Be careful.
ఫుల్ కోల్డ్
दीदी पोपा
Hey, boy.
बोला अरे बोला बोला मेरे को बोला.
पोपा तेरा
अरे अम्मा एक मिनट आप पोड़ी वाला है जल्दी.
तुला आइस कलर
बोले दादा
नहीं वो नहीं उसको नहीं जाना है भाई.
अम्मा नहीं बोलने का टाइम
देखा ऐसा आप चीटिंग कर. So that's inside the boat. Oh, it's freaking cold. Oh. So the boat is just leaving right now. So it's just filled with ice and there are no fishes and it's freaking cold. Oh,
Now just come up.
oh fuck! Take the boat. Oh. Awesome experience. It was freaking cold but down there. And she's the creation of Shubh Ratna. And this is the creator of Shubh Ratna. नहीं Ratna.
Ratna will sound inside. Bye.
इसका एक निकालती मैं फोटो निकालती
Whoa! The new boat driver around here.
Can I also enter this picture, please?
No, that's not a picture. That's a video. That's a vlog which I'm trying for the first time. Let's see
Say
how
hi
it
to
goes.
tu.
Hi!
everyone.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Now just take a picture.
Hey, let's take a picture also. Hey, 1, 2, 3.
Look there.
Don't stick to her so much. Na? Just give her some room to breathe also. Steering right. Over and out. Ritu, over and out. So now I'm riding the boat.
Ah, wait.
Let's go.
See, look here.
Titanic.
ऐसे छोटा एक हाथ से
बबले जन अंगे दक.
देख रही है बित्ते बदले करना ना फोटो दे इंचा बदले यस
दिल चाहता है टिंग डिंग टिंग डिंग दिल चाहता है झिलमिल गाए That's a pretty lovely view out there. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a closer look to that. That's the whole crazy bunch of people out there. That's my family. The photo session is going on right now. I'll just show you guys the view from my front camera. That's the view. And from here you can see the Malpe port. We are now going to watch the Indian Titanic. Okay, cancel. The project is cancelled. Chalo. Thank you, uncle.
Thank you, Dayana.
It was a nice tour. The Indian Titanic tour basically got cancelled.
वापस खड्डा आ रहा है
करण बुच्ची आई और दिल असेल
Abhi, let's go right.
कितने को मालूम है करण
We're right now at some temple. जो अभी दिख क्या होगा कोई पिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा सीटी बजा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल भैया ऑल इज वेल भैया ऑल इज वेल भैया ऑल इज वेल So we're at the airport right now. We have come here to pick a cousin, Rishala. So she's here and she's dancing over there. बोली तू ओ ईशा जस्ट सेड विच इज दिस इज गोना बी ऑन यूट्यूब. तो रिशाला आ गई है. रिशाला अभी हम लोग ड्राइवर के पास जा रहे हैं. शॉफर
क्योंकि उनको भरोसा नहीं हम दोनों के ड्राइविंग स्किल्स पे. गाड़ी में नहीं दे रहा तुम.
गाड़ी नहीं देंगे.
बैंगलोर तक तो बिल्कुल नहीं बचे.
अभी हम लोग एयरपोर्ट में है. दिस इज द एयरपोर्ट. अरे हम लोग बोट में गया था. तेरे को मालूम है क्या आज बोट में हम लोग क्या क्या में क्या दिल चाहता है ऐसा सब क्या. ईशा इज मेकिंग प्रॉन्स. अरे ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट मोमेंट है. आपको मालूम है ईशा खाना बना रही है अपने घर वालों के लिए. शी इज गेटिंग वेडिंग रेडी. ईशा व्हाट आर यू कुकिंग? ईशा गैस बारी. हेड शेफ.
Babu, it's 2 rounds left, please.
The food reviewer is here. So we are right now at Gitanjali Sadi shop with Sakshi and Singh Chana. That's Singh Chana. Okay. So it's almost more than 2 hours and our family has been shopping साड़ीज वगैरह. ये सब साड़ी वाड़ी का शॉपिंग चल रहा है और हम लोग 3 इधर बैठे. ये लोग का जस्ट अभी स्कूल खत्म हो गया. कॉलेज. अरे यूनिफॉर्म है ना यार. वो यूनिफॉर्म को 12th में यूनिफॉर्म है इधर मैंगलोर में. गीतांजलि सिल्क के बाजू में. ये कोई महेश ना. महेश शेट्टी सर प्लीज़ थोड़ा कॉलेज में लेट देम बी फ्री. थोड़ा ऐसा नॉर्मल कपड़ा पहन लो. जैसे आप बोरीवली के भंडारकर ब्रांच में कैसा नॉर्मल कपड़ा अलाउड है. हम लोग को तो 10th में नॉर्मल कपड़ा था यार. आप लोग इधर 12th में नॉर्मल कपड़ा नहीं देते. अभी मैं आप लोगों को लेके चलता हूँ हमारे माँ बाप लोग के पास. ईशा इज रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द ब्लॉग. ईशा मैंगलोर डायरी से भाग मत. ओ माई गॉड. ईशा व्हाई यू टेकिंग इट ऑल?
Too light color. Can you stop it?
ईशा के चॉइसेस देख लो सब लोग.
Light color.
If any Shetty single guy is, if he wants to get married to Isha, Isha is single. कितना घंटा हो गया आप लोगों को?
ए सुमित तू अभी आया गड़बड़ करके तुम अरे बोलो देखो नहीं क्या वो कुछ शॉपिंग किया गया
ये कितना टाइम हुआ अपने को इधर आके?
I think
और अभी तक कितना साड़ी हुआ?
बहुत.
लेके हुआ क्या नहीं था?
It's done. They finally.
ओह
I didn't even buy a single. And Karan, can you buy me one?
हाँ आ जा. दीदी ये हटना एक मिनट में हटना एक मिनट. तोड़ दे. दीदी Hi Malpe. So we're at the Malpe beach right now. ये दीदी we're off to the St. Mary's Island.
Dad, I'm the dad. मेरी लोग बढ़ाना करन मेरा रिश्ता का नाम.
And I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel.
गया फिर मैं बियर भी हूँ जो बहनी बात लोगों को लगेगा मैं रात को पी के बैठी हूँ.
लोगों को लगेगा तो अभी सवेरे पिया.
This is coffee and I am that.
Sorry, video
And
बन रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा.
And ऊपर से you tell about the shark bite.
Oh, you want to see shark? Huh? You want to see? लेके जाने का क्या होता है?
उनको पूछते रहे इंटरव्यू.
साक्षी तुम्हारे बैग है.
Hey! That's our personal shopper. That's Prasad's tribute to Sri Devi. It's a church in the shape of a boat. Wow. Bitches money. Oh my god, this beach also has money.
Fuck, I'm rich. My father. Money, not me.
Wow, क्या बंद किया? घंटा चल. Oh my god, she said घंटा.
Maybe it'll be wrong. Yeah, but it's just that.
We are at the St. Mary's Island.
Oh my god, jet ski ride.
There.
Oh my god.
we are at St. Mary's Island, and the charges for photography for big camera is $400, and there are no people right now here. I guess it's just we. And after taking our entry fees for camera also for $400, they're telling us only you have 45 minutes. We have like 45 minutes to just roam the whole island. And there was snorkeling का ad वगैरह पूरा था, but there's nothing right now. So it's just kryptonite type of islands. So let's see. Planning to go over there. Let's see if it's possible or not. About to reach this end. I'm right at the edge. और जल्दी आना. बस. अम्मा और अम्मा की बहन बबली और मेरी माँ और सब लोग.
ये तुम्हारे लिए.
अभी तक पैसे
The beach is really serene and clean and nice, and we had a nice time.
So we're going back.
To Malpe Beach.
If anyone comes to St. Mary's Island, just remember this: after paying 300 rupees, na, you can just wait for more than an hour. They'll
Only
come,
on Sundays.
Only on Sunday, and they'll wait for you. Don't worry about that. You just go and enjoy the beach and get wet and everything. So right now we're taking our pictures shot by the photographer over here, and I'll just show you the pictures and stuff. So he shot our pictures for today. Mangalore trip has come to an end. Mintu, कैसा था trip?
All it was very nice. Unlike the usual Bangalore trips that we have, this was nice. We were